I have 4 trades in the account balance is back up, equity is almost, well, it's almost at our all-time high, so that's good. Also the oil trade is starting to move, so that's great because I got it open on 3 accounts. So let's do some trades. Let's see if there's more opportunity. So here we got price trying to go down and going back up. So, and then it tested this highs again. It didn't go all the way down, but the last candle was a big candle up. So, and this candle just started actually. So, it's not a good trade to enter. See this? Price perfectly hit FIB level and then decided to go down. So that's why you target these FIB levels, or you target a little bit below it to make sure spread won't kill the trade. Sometimes because of the spread, the price needs to go a bit above it to close the trade. So in this case it wouldn't have been closed unless you targeted a little bit below it. Here this is setting up nicely to touch its zone, but we were in a very steep downtrend, so I'm thinking this could just be a pullback and then move down. So I'm only going to look for a short here. Because also, well, we got double FIB here, but we don't have enough confirmation, and I want to see this flatten out a bit more, because right now the angle is just a bit too sharp for me to enter a trade. Alright, here we got downtrend, then a pullback, then we tested this zone again, which has been tested multiple times. So here I'm thinking price will want to discover these lows again. So I'm going to enter a short here. Let's see what we can do if we just test this low, where the stop loss would be. If it's too short of a stop loss. Nah, this is actually quite kinda nice. So I'll just do this, because otherwise we need to pass through this zone before we can reach this. So I'm thinking this is better. Also it gives the price some room to go all the way up here for some liquidity and then move down. Never put your stop right at the wick. Well, some people it does work, but it's not my way of trading. I like to give the trade some room to breathe. Here gold is ranging, and you got this big candle up. So I'm thinking there's a lot of demand from this level. Well, let's not look too much at history. But I'm thinking price will go back to these past levels where the money was at. And we also got a big candle to confirm that there is an uptrend happening here. So let's target these zones. Yeah, something like this. 1 to 1. With a stop loss right below where the liquidity would be. So also I see this candle is moving down. I'm going to use a limit order this time, target this, so now I can have a lower stop loss, which is better for me. Buy order, right. I said that this sell limit didn't get triggered, would have been an easy trade, but let's remove it for now and wait for more confirmation on the next touch, because it's been a while. Alright guys, so I've noticed that it's the 8th, so the month is already finished. So for this I want to spice things up so at the trades, add some of the crypto. Got a nice list from a friend of mine, but I'm still deciding which pairs are a bit uncorrelated to the rest. I have a couple pairs I know from the past when I was still a crypto trader, but I want to do some trades on crypto to show you guys it's also possible on crypto. As you can see, the balance has moved up very steadily. I think some of the open orders have been triggered. Also, remember that oil trade I talked about, which I was very confident about. Look how easily it moved to take profit. Now I made I don't know for sure, but I think it was like a 7% profit in one trade on the palm, and also made a 2% profit on my challenge account. So that's good. Let's look for some more trades. So paper trading has been doing very well. I'm very tempted to implement it already on the Palm account, but I said I was going to do 2 months like this, like let's just see where it goes. But I'm really starting to get tempted. Maybe 2 months is a bit too much, but let's see. Alright, no trades found. That's okay. Also end of day, so there's not a lot of volatility. You just get these very tiny bars. I don't even think the market is open right now. So let's see if we can get some more tomorrow.